Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry. Explain the procedure to the resident. Provide for residents' privacy. Position bed flat. Raise bed height. Raise side rail or directs RN test observer to stand on side of the bed opposite working side of the bed to provide safety. From the working side of bed, gently move resident's upper body towards self. From the working side of the bed, gently move resident's hips towards self. From the working side of the bed, gently move resident's legs towards self. Gently assist or turn resident to slowly roll onto side toward raised side rail or toward RN test observer standing at the side of the bed. Place or adjust pillow under resident's head for support. Reposition resident's arm and shoulder so that the resident is not lying on arm. Place support device under the resident's upside arm. Place support device behind resident's back. Place support device between resident's knees. Lower bed if raised. Place call light or signaling device within easy reach of the resident. Maintain respectful, courteous interpersonal interactions at all times. Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry.